All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking the 99 Mercedes-Benz big turbo. Got the HX 35 12 centimeter from benzinjection, stage 4 Sean Tracy tune. Yeah, we're going to take it for a POV ride. A lot of people have been asking me how's it sound, how's it run. So I will tell you, around 2,900 to 3,000 RPMs, when you're in boost, it's party time. And I absolutely love it. We just got the injection pump from benzinjection. We got the 8 mil Maya, however you say it, Maya pump. And then I think that's pretty much it. I put a 3-inch back, cat back exhaust on. Sounds pretty good. I'll show you guys the tip and what it sounds like. This is purely an Amazon tip. I think I paid $25 for it, and then we got a 3-inch all the way back. It doesn't really, when you're cruising, you don't really have much drone, but I did change out the filter to a smaller 4-inch cone. We still got to pin the crank, do the injection pump, get all those fuel lines tidied up because they do leak. But let's go for a ride, and I'm gonna look goofy, but I'm gonna put y'all, I'm gonna put a camera on my forehead. Let's go. All right, let's get this party started. We're here on a abandoned road here in Mexico. Hopefully it's not too windy for you guys. I hate how long it takes to start this thing. I can never get that service due to go away. All right, let's do it. ASR off. Okay, it's party time. All right, here we go. We'll put it to the floor here. We'll be able to really hear this turbo sing. Starts off slow. Turbo lights. Oh boy. Oh, that is so much fun. Like I said, 2,800, 2,900, 3,000 RPMs. This thing really starts to sing. We'll do another pull. Hopefully the camera angle is better for you guys this time. I didn't do so good last time. Here we go, to the floor. Boost building, and go. Much fun. Once we get that 8 mil injection pump on as well too, we're gonna get a beefier 722.6 transmission out of like a Dodge Charger, because I heard once you do the 8 mil pump, if you drive it aggressively, the transmission is definitely gonna leave the chat, so we don't want that to happen. Put it in forward until we get another straight piece of road. This puppy down into second. Let this road straighten up. All right, here we go. I'm gonna cut the cat out because a part of it is still hitting a little piece of the side of the fender, so that's gonna get fixed. We'll do a 2.5 inch there, so it'll go from 2.5 inch straight from the turbo down, or from the downpipe. It'll go 2.5 inches, and then we'll go from there, it'll be straight 3-inch. Not looking forward to doing the injection pump, but figure it out one way or another. Oh, I love hearing that thing rattle. Let's see if we can do a little brake stance and see what happens. I don't know if this thing will break the rear tires with this stock injection pump. Let's see. Nope. It doesn't want to. As well. Like I said, going like 70, 75, or 80, there's just a very itty bitty little slight drone. I'll roll the windows up. There's just ever so slightly. You can barely even hear the exhaust in the cabin. It's not loud at all. My radio don't work, so I get to listen to this 3-liter inline 6 sing. I think it sounds good too. I was lucky enough to find that cheap little Amazon exhaust too, or the muffler. It's a 3-inch to a 4-inch tip. All right, here we go. Inside the cab, windows rolled up. That turbo sounds so good. I bet it sounds even better outside. I've got to get a friend to come along with me so we can get some drive-by clips. But if you made it this far in the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. A lot of my viewers or new viewers for my content, they're watching, but they're not subscribed. So that is going to be all the time we have for today. Like I said, we still got to do the 8-volt injection pump, pin the crank, and then later down the road, we're going to change out the exhaust manifold as well as the intercooler. And I'm thinking about going with some rotoform 18 by 8.5. So just got to figure out how big of a tire I can get. I'm going to do some aero disc, and then of course the car will no longer look like a sleeper. But like I said, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post videos. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.